In this video, I am going to show you how to deposit money into your Trust wallet. So click on your Trust wallet and log into it. Then you are going to come to fund. So you want to deposit money into your Trust wallet, so you are funding it. Click on this. You are going to be given different options where you can use to deposit money. Now, if you have your Binance app, you will see the option of Binance. So if Binance is installed on your phone or device, you will see it appear here as an exchange automatically. If you have Coinbase app on your phone, it will also appear here. So I have these two, that is why you are seeing them being shown here. So if you don't have any of them, you won't be seeing these options. You will see these other options here for you. You have the peer-to-peer system, then you have an exchange, all payment methods, and crypto wallet. So I am going to use the option of crypto wallet. So click on the crypto wallet. So now you are going to select the type of coin you want to deposit in your Trust wallet. I want to deposit USDT. However, when depositing money into Trust wallet, you should choose the type of network that you want to use for depositing the money, because it's very important for Trust wallet. So if you are using USDT, you can see there is Ethereum written at the side, which means this is the network that you are going to use. Or if you don't want this, like mine, I prefer using Binance Smart Chain, and there are many benefits for me because it's easy to swap and use it to pay for network fee in USDT instead of being forced to pay in Binance coin, or you are being forced to pay in any other network that you deposited that money to. Now what I'm saying is, if I use this option of USDT through the Ethereum network, it means whenever I want to swap this USDT for any coin, I will have to pay the network fee with Ethereum. But if you use the Binance Smart Chain network, you are not forced to pay network fee with Binance coin. You can use USDT as an alternative, and I prefer that. That is why I want to be using the Binance Smart Chain anytime I am depositing into Trust wallet. So I am going to the search bar and type USDT. So you can see the option of the Binance Smart Chain network. You can see other options here. You can use the Solana network to deposit your USDT on Trust wallet, or you can use the Tron network to deposit your USDT on Trust wallet. Other networks include Polygon, Ton network, Arbitrum. There are many of them. So I prefer the Binance Smart Chain network. Whichever is convenient for you. Just know that any day that you are swapping or doing any transaction on Trust wallet, you are going to pay the network fee with that particular coin of the network that you use for depositing. Okay, so the Binance Smart Chain gives me versatility because I can use USDT and not necessarily the Binance coin. So I will click this icon to copy this wallet address now. Then I will now go to Binance and initiate the deposit into my Trust wallet. So let us go to Binance. So click and log into your Binance account. When you are logged into Binance, come under your assets located at the lower right hand corner. Click on it. Then you are going to click the option of send, because we want to send the USDT that is on Binance. We want to deposit it in our Trust wallet. So click the on-chain withdraw here. Then select the coin that you want to deposit in your Trust wallet, which is USDT. Now we are going to paste the lengthy address that we copied on Trust Wallet. We are going to paste it here. Then we are going to select the network, which was the Binance Smart Chain network that I told you about. The minimum amount to withdraw from Binance is $10 US, so ensure you have that. So I will click on the 10. Now plus network fee, you can see it's 0.01. So let's put 10.5. Then we will click withdraw. So you are allowed to confirm it in order for Binance to deposit this money into your Trust wallet. So click on confirm. So you need to authenticate. For security reasons, you need to authenticate to allow the payment. So I will go to my authenticator app. Copy it and paste the code here. So it has been withdrawn. The time is 3:52 now. So let's see how long it will take to be deposited into our Trust wallet. So after 1 minute, I got an email from Binance that it has been successfully withdrawn. So I will go over to my Trust wallet now to confirm that. Log into your Trust wallet, and we can see that we have successfully deposited the money into our Trust wallet from Binance. So if you have any question regarding how to deposit money in Trust wallet, just let me know in the comment section. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.